Hello，各位好啊！歡迎大家收睇 Mr. Elsa's Channel。今日咧想同大家做一個進階版嘅練習啦，就係關於現在式，present tense 現在式，present continuous tense 現在進行式，past tense 過去式，future tense 未來式，同埋 present perfect tense 現在完成式嘅。喺呢一堂咧，我哋會溫習一下 simple present tense、simple present continuous tense、simple past tense、simple future tense 同埋 present perfect tense。跟住咧，我哋就會做少少練習嘅。同學仔如果有睇過之前嗰5個時態嘅片咧，都應該知道 present tense 現在式、present continuous tense 現在進行式、past tense 過去式、future tense 未來式，同埋 present perfect tense 現在完成式所有嘅 keywords 關鍵字嘅。咁咧，而家我就想同學仔睇下呢5個關鍵字究竟係屬於邊一個時態嘅喎。咁我就俾20秒大家啦。20秒之後咧，就會同大家對答案，大家寫翻低呢啲簡稱就可以㗎啦。而家開始計時。我諗應該差唔多啦。咁如果同學仔你未搞掂，就自己暫停咯喎。咁我哋對答案啦。首先呢，第一個 yet 係邊一個式嘅關鍵字呢？冇錯啦，就係 present perfect tense 現在完成式嘅關鍵字啦。yet 即係有搞掂未啦，由以前到而家啦咁樣嘅意思喺度㗎。OK， 跟住第二個咯喎，every month。every 即係每個啦，每個係一個習慣嚟㗎啦。咁習慣，所以就係 present tense 嘅關鍵字啦。第三題 last week，last 嘅意思係解上一個星期，咁即係過咗去啦。咁所以就係過去式嘅關鍵字啦。第四個 at the moment，at the moment 即係喺而家呢一刻，而家呢一刻喎，咁即係現在進行式嘅關鍵字啦。第五個 later，later 係之後咁即係未發生啦。咁未發生嘅即係將來式 future tense 啦。你啱咗幾多個呢？好啦，我哋而家去到第二個小練習啦。咁第二個小練習咧，都係同頭先一樣，揾翻呢5個時態嘅關鍵字出嚟。咁呢啲關鍵字係屬於邊個時態嘅呢？我讀一讀俾大家聽下。第一個 now，第二個 next week，第三個 already，第四個 twice a week，第五個 ago。好啦，一樣都係20秒，自己嚟啦喎，而家開始。好，夠鐘啦，各位同學仔。如果你未搞掂，就自己暫停咯喎。咁我哋對一對答案啦。第一題 now 即係而家啦，現在，所以我哋係用現在進行式 present continuous tense。第二個咯，next week 即係下個星期，未發生㗎嘛，所以係 future tense 將來式啦。第三個already 即係完成咗啦，發生咗啦。係啦，咁完成咗，咁所以咧我哋會係用 present perfect tense 現在完成式嘅，係啦，佢係現在完成式嘅關鍵字嚟嘅。第四個啦 twice a week 一個星期2次咁解，a week 係一個星期 ，twice 係2次，咁呢個係一個習慣嚟嘅，每個星期2次啊嘛，每個啊嘛係咪？咁所以呢一個咧係 present tense 現在式嘅關鍵字。第五個咯，好簡單啦。第五個 ago 即係之前即係未發生啦。之前即係發生咗啦，對唔住啊，之前即係發生咗啦。咁所以佢係 past tense 嘅過去式嚟嘅。OK，好啦，做過2次練習咧，大家應該有翻啲記憶啦。對於 keyword 係咪？咁我哋嚟最後一次嘅 keyword 練習啦。 幫我睇一睇呢5個 keywords，跟住咧幫我揀翻究竟佢哋係屬於邊一個時態㗎啦。好，第一個讀俾大家聽下。第一個係 yesterday， 第二個係 soon， 第三個係 sometimes， 第四個係 look， 第五個係 since， 係啦。咁佢哋分別係屬於邊一個關鍵字嘅咧？俾20秒你，而家開始。Sorry 啊，我唔記得咗計緊時嘅添。好啦，咁啊，同學仔應該夠晒時間做啦，係咪？咁我哋對答案㗎啦噃。第一個 yesterday 咧就係琴日，OK？琴日真係過咗去㗎啦，係咪？咁所以我哋就會係用 past tense，OK？過去式。第二題啦，soon 咧係解將會就快，OK？咁即係未發生啦，就快做，將會做，係咪？咁所以佢就係 future tense 啦，將來式嘅關鍵字啦。第三個 sometimes 嘅意思係解有時啦，有時呢個係一個習慣嚟嘅噃。咁既然佢係一個習慣嘅話咧，我哋就會用 present tense 啦，習慣 OK。第四個咯，look， 喂，睇下發生緊啊，睇下呢啲，聽下呢啲全部咧都會係 present continuous tense 嘅關鍵字 OK。第五個咯，since 係解乜嘢啊？記唔記得啊？自從啊，自從2000年咧，咁樣自從2020年咧，咁自從由一個時間去到而家，由以前發生到而家，我哋就係用 present perfect tense。OK， 你啱咗幾多題咧？啱啱熱身完啦，我哋而家係時候要增加難度咯噃，我哋要做句子嘅練習啦。好，第一個練習嚟嘅呢個係 OK，咁有10題嘅，我讀一讀俾你聽。咁當然啦，首先你要做嘅第一樣嘢，當然都係要揾翻佢嘅關鍵字出嚟啦。咁一陣間呢，你自己揾關鍵字同埋自己做嘅咯噃。我讀一讀俾你聽先。第一題 ，She read a book right now。第二題 ，They play soccer yesterday。第三題 ，I enjoy the vacation next summer。第四題 ，She already read 5 books this month。第五題 ，He study maths at school every day。第六題 ，Look the kids play outside。第七題 ，We live in this town for 10 years。第八題 ，They play tennis tomorrow。第九題 ，She read a book last night。第十題有啲難㗎吓。The sun rise in the east。好啦，咁而家咧我就俾2分鐘，你哋咧揾晒啲關鍵字出嚟，同埋答晒呢10題咯喎。而家開始。 好啦，夠鐘啦，同學仔。如果你未搞掂，就自己暫停咯噃。好，咁我哋咧一齊睇一睇先。She 乜嘢 a book right now？麻煩同學仔幫我揾個關鍵字出嚟先。關鍵字就係 right now 係咪？就算睇唔到個 right，你都睇到個 now 啦。咁既然 right now 係關鍵字嘅話，咁好簡單啦。Now 係現在進行式嘅 keyword 嘅關鍵字，所以就係 is reading。唔好漏咗呢樣嘢就係個 is 啦。我相信會有同學仔漏咗個 is，咁咪掛住寫 ing 唔記得咗加 is 係好正常嘅事嚟嘅，成日都會發生。咁你因為成日都會發生嘅關係，就麻煩你記住佢啦。is 係 be 超人啊嘛，係咪？你記住咧，所有 ing 咧前面都有個 be 超人，即係如果用進行式嘅話咧，前面都有個 be 超人㗎。OK， 好啦，第二題咯喎，第二題啦。They 唔知乜嘢 stuck 係 yesterday， 關鍵字係冇錯啦，就係 yesterday 啦。yesterday 係琴日，即係過去式啦。咁所以呢一題個答案都會係 played 過去式嘅，加 ed。OK， 好啦，第三題咯喎。I enjoy the vacation next summer， 關鍵字係 next summer， 係咪？next 係未發生㗎嘛，即係咧佢係將來式啦。will enjoy 係啦，好簡單，喺個 enjoy 前面加個 will 就得啦。第四題咯喎。She already 乜嘢 5 books this month， 關鍵字係 already。already 即係完成咗啦，係咪？完成咗啦，佢係現在完成式嘅關鍵字，所以咧答案就將會係 She has already read 5 books this month。第五題咯喎。He study maths at school every day， 關鍵字係 every day， 即係每一天。每一天咧係一個習慣嚟嘅，習慣即係現在式啦，所以答案係 studies。你要記住喎，why 咧呢個 why 咧，如果現在式佢又係哆啦 A 夢組 he 嘅話咧，係要轉做 ies， 希望你記得啊，唔係就咁加 s 嘅。好啦，第六題咯喎。Look the kids 乜嘢 played outside， 關鍵字係 look， 係啦，睇下咁樣，咁啊睇下而家發生緊啦，咁所以答案咧就會係 The kids are playing outside， 一樣啦。呢度都係有個 be 超人喺度咯，係啦，跟住之後有 ing 啦。好啦，下一題啦喎。We 乜嘢 live in this town for 10 years， 關鍵字係冇錯啦，係 for 啊，for 係關鍵，sorry 係呢個 present perfect tense 嘅關鍵字嚟嘅，現在完成式。咁所以咧答案將會係 have lived。你記住喎，現在完成式咧一定係有 have 或者 has 喺前面嘅喎，你唔好漏咗喎，好緊要嘅呢個。同埋後邊呢一個咧唔係過去式嚟嘅喎，呢個後邊呢個唔係過去式嚟嘅喎，呢個係 past participle 嚟嘅喎，PP 嘅啫所謂嘅，係啦。佢 PP 嚟嘅喎，佢唔係過去式嚟嘅喎，自己小心啦。好，第八個咯喎。They 乜嘢 play tennis tomorrow， 關鍵字係 tomorrow 係咪？ tomorrow 解明天，明天即係未發生啦，咁所以答案係 They will play tennis tomorrow。第九啦。She 乜嘢 read a book last night， 關鍵字係 last night 係咪？上個晚上，上一個晚上係咪？咁所以咧佢係過去式，答案就係 She read a book last night。OK， 第十咯喎，喂大件事啦，都冇關鍵字嘅，好難呢。好啦，第十題解釋下俾你聽先。The sun 太陽啦，大家都知啦。Rise 係解升起 ，in the east 係解喺東邊。我想問下太陽喺東邊升起呢樣嘢係咩嚟㗎？過去嘅事、未來嘅事、完成咗嘅事、將來嘅事？唔係，佢係每日都會發生嘅事。佢係一個事實 fact。OK， 佢係一個事實，每日都會發生嘅，永遠都係真嘅。所以咧呢個情況我哋要用 present tense 現在式。答案係 rises。OK， 喺後面加個 s 啦，因為我哋用 present tense。大家啱咗幾多題呢？好啦，事不宜遲，我哋即刻嚟第二個練習啦，又係一樣讀一讀俾你聽。咁一陣間你就自己揾關鍵字，自己做㗎喇噃。OK， 好啦，第一題 I eat this delicious meal at the moment。第二題 Horace study for his exams tomorrow。第三題 Dogs 乜嘢 bark at the postman 2 minutes ago。第四題 She 乜嘢 learn to drive next year。第五題 They 唔知乜嘢 play basketball twice a week。第六題 He study maths last term。第七題 The sun 又係 the sun 嘅嗬 shine brightly right now。第八題 Zoe 唔知乜嘢 stay in that city for 5 years。第九題 I 唔知乜嘢 visit my friends later this afternoon。第十題 We 唔知乜嘢 be friends since 2022。好，而家俾2分鐘你自己開波咯噃。夠鐘啦！如果你未搞掂就暫停啊！好，嚟㗎啦喎，對答案㗎啦喎。第一題 I 唔知乜嘢 eat this delicious meal at the moment。關鍵字係 at the moment。at the moment 係解而家呢一刻啊，OK？喺呢一剎那呢一刻，咁即係話佢係現在進行式嘅關鍵字啦，所以我哋嘅答案會係用現在進行式啦。I am eating。唔好忘記 be 超人啊！你有冇漏啊？今次現在進行式一定要有 be 超人啦，再加 ing 啦。好啦，跟住咯，Horace 乜嘢 study for his exam tomorrow？關鍵字係 tomorrow。tomorrow 係解明天，明天即係將來式啦，所以答案係 will study。第三題咯，Dogs bark at the postman 2 minutes ago。關鍵字係 ago。ago 係解之前係咪？之前即係過咗去啦，過去式啦，所以答案係 barked。OK， 加咗個 ed 喺後邊啦，加咗個 ed 喺後邊。好啦，跟住第四題啦喎。She learn to drive next year。關鍵字係 next year。OK， 下年未發生嘅喎，咁所以咁所以我哋會用嘅式就係將來式 will learn。OK， 第五題啦喎。They 唔知乜嘢 play basketball twice a week。好簡單啦，呢個之前我哋做嗰個關鍵字審查嘅時候，都小測驗嘅時候呢，都已經做過啦。Twice a week， 一個禮拜2次，即係習慣啦。 習慣我哋會用現在式，所以答案係 play。第5咯，he 唔知乜嘢 study maths last term，關鍵字係 last term。last 係解上一個 term 係解學期 ，OK？ 上一個學期即係發生咗啦，咁即係過去式咯。studied 係啦，咁呢度你又要留意翻咯，過去式個 y 咧係要變做 ied 㗎，唔係 yed 啊。希望你記得啦，你冇錯啦，希望。好啦，第7題啦，the sun 唔知乜嘢 shine brightly right now， 關鍵字上一次先講完 right now 係咪？ right now 係現在進行式，所以答案都會用現在進行式 is shining，OK？咁你小心啲咯，係有個 B 超人喺度啦。第8題啦，Zoe，sorry 我應該撳咗呢個先。哎呀，點樣撳翻走？哎呀，撳晒出嚟添，唔緊要嚇，我照講下。好，第8個 Zoe has stayed in that city for 5 years。點解用現在完成式呢？因為關鍵字係 for。OK， 你啱啱呢？同埋你記住喎，現在完成式一定有 have has 嘅噃。你有冇漏呢？仲有 PP 有冇漏呢？第9咯，I will visit my friends later this afternoon。關鍵字係 later。later 係將來式嘅關鍵字，所以我用 will， 簡簡單單係咪？第10題啦，第10題咯，We have been friends since 2022。關鍵字係 since。OK， 佢係現在完成式嘅關鍵字，所以我哋用現在完成式，有 have has， 仲有 PP。你啱咗幾多呢？好啦，啱啱我哋已經做咗2次嘅句子練習啦，今次係最後一個句子練習啊！你望一望呢度所有句子，全部都係有個 question mark 喺度嘅，全部都有喎，問題句嚟嘅喎。問題句點寫呢？而家諗一諗先。係啦，要將個助動詞放喺最頭，將個主動詞放喺後邊，係咪？記唔記得啊？放喺句子嘅開頭啦，將個助動詞放喺前面。咁我讀一讀俾你聽啦喎。乜嘢 you 乜嘢 like to drink coffee every morning？ 第2題 listen 乜嘢 they 乜嘢 sing in the kitchen？ 第3題 how much 乜嘢 you 乜嘢 enjoy your school life lately？ 第4題 when 乜嘢 the children 乜嘢 go outside later？ 第5題乜嘢 she 乜嘢 dance at the festival yesterday？第6題 How many languages 乜嘢 he 乜嘢 learn since P1？ 第7題 What film 乜嘢 Leo 乜嘢 watch now？ 第8題啦 Why 乜嘢 he 乜嘢 hate English？ 咦？呢題冇關鍵字嘅，係咪呢？係咪真係冇呢？第9題啦，乜嘢 you 乜嘢 join the contest next week？ 第10題乜嘢 she 乜嘢 sing at many events before？ 2分鐘自己搞掂關鍵字，自己做啦。而家開始。 Hello，我返嚟啦。好啦，如果你未搞掂就自己暫停咯喎。對答案咯喎。琴日揀晒啲關鍵字出嚟啦，嚟㗎啦。第一題，乜嘢 乜嘢 like to drink coffee every morning？關鍵字係 every morning。OK，every 係每個早上習慣，即係佢係現在式，所以答案係 Do you like？你有冇寫咗 Are you like 咧？好啦，第二題啦喎。Listen，咩 they 乜嘢 sing in the kitchen？關鍵字係咩啊？冇錯啦，關鍵字就係 listen。listen 係咩式關鍵字啊？現在進行式關鍵字。好啦，咁你咁啲現在進行式嗰個主動詞前面有個咩㗎？be 超人係咪？咁你唔好忘記佢啦，我哋將 be 超人放喺個頭度。咁所以答案就係 Are they singing？點解係大街 A 嘅？因為前面有個感嘆號咯，句子完咗㗎啦，大街 A 嚟㗎，你寫細街就錯㗎啦。好啦，第三題啦。How much 咩 you 乜嘢 enjoy your school life lately？好啦，關鍵字係 lately 呢個 lately 係咩意思啊？lately 係解最近係啦，最近呢就係現在完成式嘅關鍵字，所以我哋梗係要用現在完成式 present perfect tense。How much have you enjoyed your school life lately？不要忘記現在完成式一定有個 have 或者 has 啦，因為係 you，所以我哋用 have，後邊嗰個係 PP 加 ed，OK？好啦，第四題啦喎。When 乜嘢 the children 乜嘢 go outside later？關鍵字係 later。later 係將來式嘅關鍵字，所以呢一題嘅答案係 When will the children go outside later？將來式啦 will go，OK？第五題啦，乜嘢 she 乜嘢 dance at the festival yesterday？關鍵字係 yesterday，對不對？yesterday 係過去式嘅關鍵字，我哋當然係用 past tense 啦。所以答案就係 Did she dance at the festival yesterday？係啦，did do did done will 後邊嗰個動詞都唔可以轉㗎，咁所以佢唔喐得啦，一定係 dance 㗎啦。第六題咯喎。How many languages 乜嘢 he 乜嘢 learn since P1？關鍵字係 since 係解自從啊嘛，自從由一年班開始到而家咩式嚟㗎？現在完成式，所以關鍵字係 Has he learned？同學仔啊，你可以寫 learned 都冇問題，兩個都係 learn 嘅 PP。OK？好啦，第七啦喎。What film 乜嘢 Leo 乜嘢 now？對唔住，我補充上面先。咦，咁你問啊 learnt 同埋 learned 有咩分別啊？多數咧英式英文都會用 T 呢一個字做 PP 嘅，係啦，過去式 PP。OK？咁但係咧美式咧就多數用 ED 嘅，係啦。咁我哋如果崇尚英式嘅，即係我哋英式教育啊嘛，咁你用翻 T 咯。咁你寫 ED 都冇問題嘅，冇錯啦，都冇錯嘅。嗱，睇你老師點教啦。咁有需要你就問翻自己個老師啦，好冇？好啦 ，sorry， 講翻第七題啊。Watch film 乜嘢 Leo 乜嘢 watch now？關鍵字好簡單啦 ，now 啦，好明顯係咪？咁呢個亦都好明顯係現在進行式啦，所以答案係 is watching。不要忘記 be 超人啦。OK，be 超人，再有 ing。好啦，跟住之後下一題啦喎。Why 乜嘢 he 乜嘢 English？大件事啦。喂，呢一題都冇關鍵字，冇時間詞嘅。係啊，真係冇㗎。佢關鍵詞原來係佢啊。吓 hate 係咩意思啊？好憎啊！你記唔記得中意同埋憎呢一樣嘢係咩式會講㗎？多數中意同埋憎，不嬲都好中意啊，不嬲都好憎嘅。由細到大都好憎嘅，由細到大都好唔中意啊。Preferences 我哋會用現在式present tense 係啦，所以個答案就會係Why does he hate English？ 現在式。第九題啦喎，咩 you 乜嘢 the contest next week？ 簡單啦 ，next 啊嘛係咪 ？next week 下個星期，關鍵字係 next week，將來式係關鍵字，所以我哋個答案係 Will you join the contest next year？sorry，next week。 OK， 第10題啦喎，乜嘢 she 乜嘢 sing get many events before？關鍵字係 before。before 係乜嘢式嘅關鍵字啊？冇錯啦，現在完成式，所以答案呢就係 Had she sung at many events before？ sing 嘅 PP 你有冇啱到呢？你啱咗幾多題呢？好啦，到打大佬嘅時間啦。啱啱一句句呢都仲簡單少少，但係變到段落嘅時候呢，就真係好難睇啦。因為有時啲關鍵字咧會匿埋咗喺唔知邊個位，下一句又係用翻上一句嘅關鍵字咁樣嘅情況，係咁乞人憎嘅，難就難在呢啲位啦。好，唔緊要㗎嚇，我又係一樣讀一讀俾你聽嚇，你自己留意下啲關鍵字啦喎。Dear Horace, hey, I 乜嘢 hope you are doing great every day. What 乜嘢 you 乜嘢 now? I just want to share some thoughts about school life. It 乜嘢 be a mix of fun lately. Right now, I 乜嘢 watch some videos about learning English. My English teacher 乜嘢 be a nice person. 死啦，呢句冇關鍵字嘅，點算啊？He 乜嘢 praised me yesterday. I like him. 好，一樣啦，2分鐘揾晒關鍵字出嚟，寫埋啲答案出嚟，而家開始。Hello，我返嚟啦，你未搞掂啊，自己暫停啦噃。對答案啦，咁對答案之前，我哋要揾晒啲關鍵字出嚟先得噃。Dear Horace, hey, I 唔知乜嘢 hope you are doing great every day。關鍵字是 every day，咩式嘅關鍵字？現在式，所以第一題答案係用現在式。答案係 I hope you are doing great today。你有冇俾佢 doing 搞錯咗呢？呢個有冇俾佢陰到？有冇俾佢奸茅咁樣跣低咗呢？好，繼續咯喎。What 咩 you 咩 now？關鍵字好簡單啊 ，now 喎，咩嚟㗎？現在進行式喎，B 超人嗰個呢？所以關鍵字所以答案係 What are you doing now？OK，你小心啊，B 超人啦，B 超人嚟啦，跟住 do 加 ing 啦。好，跟住繼續啦，我哋又 I just want to share some thoughts about school life. It's 乜嘢 a mix of fun lately？ 關鍵字是什麼呢 ？Lately 最近係咩式關鍵字啊？現在完成式，所以我哋嘅答案都要用現在完成式 present perfect tense。It has been a mix of fun lately。OK，記得前面有個 have has 啦，因為佢係哆啦 A 夢組，所以用 has，你應該記得㗎啦，係咪？好啦，繼續㗎咯喎。Right now, I 乜嘢 watch some videos about learning English。關鍵字係 right now，現在啊，現在進行式啊，所以答案係 I am watching some videos about learning English，一樣啦，要有 be 超人啦，跟住動詞後邊 ing。好，第五題啦噃。第五題，My English teacher 乜嘢a nice person，大件事。呢度都冇時間詞，冇關鍵字點做啊？係咪跟翻上面嗰個 I am watching，即係 My English teacher is being a nice person 啦？係咪咁啊？你諗下呢句嘢咩意思先？My English teacher 乜嘢 a nice person，即係我個英文老師係一個好友善嘅人。我個英文老師係一個好友善嘅人，呢樣嘢係講緊佢不嬲都好友善啦。佢以前好友善，而家唔係啊？定係將來係一個友善嘅人呢？如果形容人哋嘅性格呢，我哋多數呢都會用現在式嘅噃，OK？所以答案呢，我哋會用 Is my English teacher is a nice person。如果你用 was a nice person 嘅話呢，就會有少少意思，就係講緊你嘅英文老師以前係一個好人嚟嘅，以前係一個友善嘅人嚟嘅，而家就未必啦。有冇咁嘅意思喺度呢？冇嘅話，我哋最好都係用翻現在式 is。好啦，繼續咯喎。He praised me yesterday，簡單啦。Yesterday 就是關鍵字啦，係咪？佢係過去式嘅關鍵字，所以答案係 praised，喺後邊加個 d 就搞掂啦。過去式，你啱咗幾多題呢？好，繼續噶咯喎，第五個測驗啦喎，你頂唔頂得住先？Last week we 乜嘢 have an awesome chat about improving my reading skills。I 唔知乜嘢 find reading very interesting。死啦！呢度冇關鍵字嘅，第八題冇關鍵字嘅，點算啊？點算啊？你諗噶咯喎。I 乜嘢乜嘢 read 55 books since the start of this term as my English teacher。有粒星嘅。乜嘢 suggest me read books every day。一題入邊要寫兩個答案，咁會唔會係一樣嘅式呢？定係唔同呢？哎呀，好驚啊！要諗諗啦，你一陣間。I think I 乜嘢 borrow some more new books next week。乜嘢 you 乜嘢 come with me。I'm sure you 乜嘢 enjoy it。2分鐘，自己揾關鍵字，自己搞掂佢。而家計時。 Hello everybody, I'm back。係咪好作狀咧？我啲英文。好啦，就扮嘢。好啦，嚟啦喎，咁我哋又對答案啦，對答案就要揾埋啲關鍵字出嚟咧。好，睇下先嚇，讀俾你聽下。Last week we 乜嘢 and an awesome chat about improving my reading skills。關鍵字好簡單啊，last week 啊嘛，係咪？過去式啊嘛，咁所以呢一題嘅答案咧，咪就係 had 咯。have 嘅過去式咪 had 咯，係咪？繼續咯喎，第8題咯喎。I 乜嘢 find reading very interesting 大件事，呢度都冇關鍵字。好啦，咁我哋要諗下呢個句子係咩意思啊？第8題呢個句子係咩意思啊？ I find reading very interesting 嘅意思係呢個 find 係咩啊？係咪揾嘢啊？即係我揾閱讀好有趣，我揾閱讀好有趣。你講出嚟覺唔覺得怪啊？咩叫我揾閱讀啊？原來 find 呢個字咧，除咗解揾之外、尋找之外咧，仲可以解發現啊！我發覺咧，發現咧，原來閱讀好有趣㗎！我發現閱讀好有趣，唔係揾啊，係發現啊。find 除咗解發現，仲可以find 除咗解揾，仲可以解發現㗎。發現閱讀好有趣呢樣嘢係講我之前發現啦，定係而家發現啊？佢梗係之前發現好有趣先至一路睇書啦。你望下佢下邊都講咗佢睇咗55本書啊嘛。咁啊，梗係之前發現之後先至睇書㗎啦。如果而家先發現，佢點睇咗55本書啊？係咪啊？咁所以呢一題第8題咪即係佢發現咗咯。係啦，上個星期就同老師傾偈，講下呢個閱讀嘅技巧。我發現原來閱讀真係好有趣㗎喎。咁講得通啦，係咪？即係上個禮拜嘅事咯，所以答案咪就係過去式咯。Found reading very interesting， 明嘛？係咪？第9題咯喎。I 乜嘢 read 55 books since the start of this term？ 停住喺度先，我哋畫條線喺度，我哋暫停喺呢度先。This term 先，停咗喺度先啊。當呢度係第9題 ，OK？ 呢度到呢度係第9題 ，OK？ 好啦，望一望先啊。第9題個關鍵字你揾到啲乜嘢？你應該揾到 since 係咪？冇錯啦 ，since 係第9題嘅關鍵字。你嘅答案亦都將會係現在完成式，因為 since 係現在完成式嘅關鍵字，所以係 I have read 55 books since the start of this term。今個學期開始呢，我就已經睇咗55本書啦，係咪？好正常，你咁樣諗。咁啊，跟住我哋就諗埋第10題啦喎。As my English teacher suggest me read books every day。同學仔，我哋睇到呢個字 everyday 喎，everyday 會唔會係呢一題嘅關鍵字呢？我哋一齊諗諗呢一題嘅意，呢第10題呢一個句子嘅意思好唔好啊？首先呢 as 係咩意思呢？ as 係解呢度 as 係咩意思啊？ as 係解因為啊，係啦 as 係解因為 my English teacher， 因為我個英文老師 suggest 係咩意思啊？ suggest 係解建議啊。係啦，建議，因為我個英文老師建議我，因為我個英文老師建議我每日都要睇書 ，everyday 係每日啊嘛，係咪？everyday 係解每日啊嘛。呢個句子係我個英文老師建議我每日要睇書，你覺得係咩色啊？我哋講緊建議呢個字喎，我哋唔係講緊睇書喎，我哋講緊建議喎，建議呢個行為呢個動作。如果你用咗，如果你覺得 everyday 係建議嘅關鍵字，如果你覺得 everyday 現在式應該用喺呢度，咁呢個句子嘅意思就變咗做老師每日都建議我每日睇書。老師應該唔會每日同你講啩，佢唔係機械人嚟㗎係嘛？每日講都好奇怪啦。佢亦都呢個句子嘅意思都唔係講每日講啦。好啦，既然 everyday 唔係呢一題嘅關鍵字，唔係啊。即係話，如果你寫咗 suggest 用咗現在式，你錯咗㗎啦。咁即係話，我哋用翻上一個 since 呢個用落嚟呢度，即係話 as my English teacher has suggested me read books every day， 佢呢就由以前到而家，since 啊嘛，since世界由以前到而家啊嘛，由以前到而家即係由開學到而家每日提住我啊。 咁咪同每日一樣意思，咁咪都係唔啱咯。你個老師由開學提你到而家，日日提住你，咁咪好煩。佢亦都冇咁嘅意思喎，因為個重點係咩啊？個重點係建議啊，個重點唔係睇書啊，個重點係建議呢個字啊，建議呢一個行為並不是睇書呢個行為啊，所以我哋唔應該用現在完成式，亦都唔應該用現在式，係應該用過去式，因為老師以前建議過我，幾時啊？幾時建議過啊？有講過咩？The start of this term， 學期頭嘅時候就建議過我啦。呢個原來係關鍵字嚟嘅，The start of this term。你有冇諗到佢竟然係第10題嘅關鍵字啊？係咪好難呢？特登出到咁難嘅。好，繼續啦。I think I 乜嘢 borrow some more books next week。簡單呢題，簡單到不得了啦。Next week 將來式，答案係 will borrow。你識啦係咪？第12題啦，咩 You come with me 會唔會同我一齊去㗎？用翻第12題個關鍵字，所以答案係 Will you come？係啦，Will you come with me？係啦。第13題咯，I'm sure you 乜嘢 enjoy it。我肯定咧你會中意嘅，我肯定你好享受嘅。未發生，咁咪都係繼續用翻，因為佢一路都係講緊下個禮拜一齊去借書啊嘛，咪都係用翻呢個咯。所以答案係 will enjoy。OK？呢幾題入邊你啱咗幾多個呢？第10題咁難，你啱唔啱呢？好啦，我哋又繼續啦，第3個練習啦，sorry，第6個練習啦，但係佢係第3個文章嘅段落嘅練習，最後㗎啦，放心啊。好啦，讀俾你聽啦喎。I 乜嘢 make some really great friendships over the past few weeks。哇係 over the past few weeks 係咩意思啊？你諗諗先，我唔講住，陣間解嗰陣先講你聽。繼續啦喎。Last week Ken and Belle 乜嘢 study English with me in the school library。We 乜嘢 already finished 20 sets of past papers。Daniel 乜嘢 be a book lover。He 乜嘢 recommend me a book to read every day。乜嘢 you always 乜嘢 read books too。Catch you later Lux。好啦，一樣圈晒關鍵字出嚟，跟住做完佢2分鐘，依家開始。 我又返嚟啦。如果你未搞掂，自己暫停啦。好，第一題啦，sorry，第14題啦。I 乜嘢 make some really great friendships over the past few years？咩叫做 over the past few years 呢？乜嚟嘅呢？呢個意思即係話呢幾個禮拜以嚟，過去呢幾個星期以嚟，即係呢過去幾個星期之前，直到而家嚇，呢句嘢係咁嘅意思。Over the past few weeks 係啦，唔係 year，weeks，OK？過去呢幾個星期以嚟，由以前到而家嘅意思。咁由以前到而家係乜嘢式啊？冇錯啦，佢就係現在完成式 have made。你有冇第一題已經錯咗啦？第二題啦喎，sorry，第16題啦喎。Last week, Ken and Belle 乜嘢 study English with me in the school library？關鍵字係好簡單嘅 last week，簡簡單單過去式 studied English with me in the school library，仲記唔記得 IED 啊？唔係 YED 啊？好啦，第17題啦喎。We 乜嘢 already finished 20 sets of past papers？關鍵字係 already，簡簡單單。already 係咩式嘅關鍵字啊？現在完成式，所以關鍵字係 We have already finished 20 sets of past papers。第18題啦喎。Daniel 乜嘢be a book lover？喂，呢個冇關鍵字嘅，冇時間詞嘅。冇時間詞即係跟翻上一個用翻 already 啊，即係 Daniel has been a book lover，係咪啊？不是哦。咩？我哋又要諗一諗呢個句子係咩意思啊？冇關鍵字嘅又要諗啦。Daniel 乜嘢 a book lover？係啦，Daniel 是一個好中意睇書嘅人。佢係一個好中意睇書嘅人，係講緊佢以前好中意睇書啊，而家好中意睇書啊，將來好中意睇書啊。佢而家好中意睇緊書啊，係邊個啊？佢由始至終都係一個好中意睇書嘅人啊嘛，係咪？佢個喜好就係睇書啦，即係 like 啦，即係 he likes reading books 啦。呢句嘢嘅意思根本就係咪？佢中意睇書啊嘛。咁所以個答案咪就係現在式咯。Daniel is a book lover。如果你寫咗 was 嘅話咧 ，Daniel was a book lover 咧，即係佢以前係好中意睇書，而家唔係。有冇咁嘅意思喺度咧？係咪講緊以前咧？唔係喎。如果你寫 Daniel has been a book lover，Daniel 由以前到而家都係 book lover，喂，都冇關鍵字，講緊係由以前到而家，嗰個以前係幾時先？由幾時開始先？都冇講過，咁何必要用現在完成式咧？好啦，第19題啦喎。He 乜嘢 recommend me a book to read every day？哇，超簡單呢個，但係超簡單得嚟有冇錯咧 ？Every day 係咩式啊？現在式係咪？好啦 ，He 乜嘢 me a book to read every day？即係佢每日咧都會推介一本書俾我嘅，係啦，佢每日都會推介一本書俾我，即係習慣啦，所以咪現在式咯。Recommends me a book to read every day。好啦，第20題啦喎，咩 you always 乜嘢 books to？always 咩式啊？咩嚟㗎 ？always 係經常啊嘛，經常係一個習慣啊嘛，習慣咩式㗎？現在式咯。Do you always read books to？Catch you later，catch you later 即係之後再傾啦，之後見啦咁嘅意思嚇，唔係祝你啊，冇關係嘅同祝，係啦，甩寫嘅呢封信。你啱咗幾多題啊？最後咧，我哋快速總結一下今日我哋學過啲咩先。首先咧，你記住啦，每一題咧都要揾翻個 keywords 啦，關鍵字啊，每一題都要揾翻個關鍵字啦。咁有時候你啱啱做練習都見到啦，有啲題目真係冇關鍵字嘅，冇嗰啲咧係特登陰你嘅，特登出咁難嚟陰你，睇下你明唔明呢個句子係乜嘢意思嘅。所以你除咗揾關鍵字之外，有時你都要諗嗰個句子係乜嘢意思。啱啱有一題夠有關鍵字咯，有個 everyday 添，有 since 添。咁究竟應該用 since 現在完成式啊，定係 everyday 現在式呢？ Sorry，兩個都唔係，佢係用過去式嘅。咁間都有㗎，真係我特登出到咁難俾你㗎。係真係會冇關鍵字嘅，所以你真係要除咗知道關鍵字之外呢，都要諗下個句子乜嘢意思。好啦，有啲咩留意呢？ Things to keep an eye on。 sorry 撳錯掣。係啦，首先 simple present tense 同上次一樣啦，提你同一樣嘢，留意個 subject 個主語，個主角係哆啦 A 夢組嘅就要加嘢，個主角係胖虎組嘅就唔加得嘢。仲有 the ending of a verb 加嘢咧，加嘢加乜啊？加 s 加 es 加 ies 唔知喎，你要自己睇清楚啦。乜嘢字尾係加 s， 咩字尾係加 es， 咩字尾係加 ies， 轉 ies 或者唔轉 y 後邊加 s。如果你唔記得咗，你自己去睇翻條片啦。Present continuous tense 有咩留意啊？都係一樣要留意個主語啦，因為佢點解要留意個主語啊？有 be 噶嘛，個主語會將阿 be 超人變身噶嘛，你記唔記得啊？be 超人見到 he 嘅時候會變做 is，be 超人見到 they 嘅時候會變做 are，be 超人見到 I 嘅時候會變做 am 噶喎，所以你要留意個主角係邊個喎，個句子個主語係邊個喎 ，OK？ 仲有寫翻 ing 你實記得㗎啦。Simple past tense 有咩留意啊？留意一下最尾嗰個字嘅最尾係咩啊？加 d 加 ed 定係加 ied 轉 ied 定係佢係不規則動詞咧？唔係加 d 唔係加 ed 唔係加 ied 係成個字轉樣咧，或者唔轉樣咧，又係最乞人憎嘅地方啦。Past tense 你要死背嘅，冇辦法。好啦，跟住 future tense 係最簡單，動詞前面加個 will 搞掂。Present perfect tense 現在完成式有咩留意啊？喺個動詞前面一定有 has 同埋 have， 一定有 has 同埋 have， 一定啊！仲有佢個 past participle 係乜嘢咧？佢個 PP 係乜嘢咧？因為你有時候過去式嗰個樣同埋 past participle 過去分詞嗰個樣係唔同嘅喎。do 過去式個樣係 did，但係佢 PP 個樣係 done 喎，done 喎，唔同樣嘅喎，係啦。我發現一樣嘢就係我今次呢一個練習咧，唔記得咗出有 not 嘅練習俾你添，唔緊要啦，我下次出俾你嚇。好啦，今日呢一個片咧就到呢一度啦，多謝大家收睇，拜拜。